It's time to add soft sparkle and shine to your color palette. Get creative with new hair color that's wearable and more modern. Hi dolls, Larisa Love here for Joico. Today I'm going to show you how to create this iridescent dust look using the new Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel shades. Modern pastel shades like blush tones, silvers, and rose gold are trending more than ever now, so I'm excited for you guys to try this new shade range. First, I always start with pre-lined hair toned to a silvery blonde to make sure all these gorgeous new colors come to life. Part the hair down the center and create 3 equal sections on either side of the head, angled back down towards the nape of the neck. Start with the bottom third section and apply Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel Violet Pearl all over at the base and bring it down about 3 inches. Then divide the section in half with a thick weave. I want this to have a bold, color blocked look, so a thick weave will give it that effect. Here's a tip. Use your comb to evenly distribute the color downwards to create a blended look. Make sure to use your fingers to melt the 2 colors together seamlessly. On the bottom half, I apply Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel Silver Ice. The great thing about Joico's Color Intensity Pearl Pastel shades is it contains nourishing Kukui nut oil in it. It leaves hair gorgeously conditioned and amps up shine for a super healthy looking result. And to restore the hair, it contains essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants that moisturize dry hair while improving elasticity and shine. On the top half, I apply Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel Rose Gold plus Clear in a half and half ratio. Another tip, use braids to keep the different sections from bleeding together. On the next section up, apply Violet Pearl from roots to ends. Make sure to completely saturate the hair. We don't want any gaps. Joico's Color Intensity Pearl Pastel shades are unique because they reconstruct hair with their Quadramine complex for guaranteed healthier looking hair after every color service. So I know my clients will love their hair color and the feel of their hair. Next, let's move on to the top section. I'm going to apply Violet Pearl as my base again and bring it down in a teardrop shape, shorter at the top and longer at the bottom. Then I'm going to divide it in half horizontally with a smaller weave. This is going to help all the colors seamlessly blend together. On the bottom half, I apply Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel Blush. On the top half, I apply Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel Silver Ice. Repeat the same process and the colors on the other side. Let this process for 25 minutes and rinse with Joico K-Pack Color Therapy. Joico Color Intensity Pearl Pastel shades can last up to 10 shampoos. Plus, they're intermixable with the full Color Intensity collection, so you have endless creative possibilities to let your inner artist shine through. Now, look at this gorgeous iridescent dust hair color. It's soft, shiny, and the pearlescent tones change as the hair moves. I love it. For more tips and tutorials, you can download the Joy Color System app. Be sure to subscribe to the Joico YouTube channel and watch the next video right here. Thanks for watching!